Hello everyone. So in the last class, we discussed about the lists and mutability and the concatenation and other things in the last class. So in this class, we will discuss about the list methods. So what are the methods that are available in the list? We will discuss each and everything, and we'll see execution plot it practically. So let us move into the session. So list methods. There are some list methods for the list data type. It means how to apply each and every method for that. For everything, there are some methods available in the list. So we can see each and every method first one. So append function, append method, append of x. So what does this append will do? What does this append will do means it will add an element to the end. So if we want to add an element to end of the list, we have to use append function. So this append method will add an element to the end of the list. So this is so insert of I comma s. So this insert function will take two parameters. So inserted position. So there are two parameters. First parameter indicates in which uh, in which position you want to insert. Here, see, I and x are two parameters. I indicates in which position you want to insert, and x indicates what element you need to insert. Those type of parameters are available. So first parameter is in which place you need to insert. It means place indicator. And second parameter indicates what element should be inserted. That is the thing that is happening. So next one, extend method. So what is the extend method will do means if you want to extend list, it means if you want to combine those two lists, and if you want to extend two lists in a single list means you need to use this extend function. What do this extend function will do means it will extend the list by another iterable. So through another iterable, it will extend that list. That is what happening here. So next one, remove. So what does this remove function will do means it removes first occurrence of x. So suppose if you want to remove some certain element. So by using this remove function, we can able to remove that certain element from the list. Suppose if you want to remove the element 2, so just need to do remove of two. So suppose there are multiple same elements are there. So whatever the element that is occurring first, that will be removed. Further elements will not be removed. It will remove only first occurrence of x. Whatever the thing that is occurring first, it will remove and pop of I. So what do this pop function will do means it will remove item at an index. It means if you want to remove some certain index, you will use pop method. So this pop method will remove that specific index. So if you do not mention any index, by default it will remove last index. It will remove last element from that list. That is what the pop method will do. Next one, clear. So what does this clear will do? Clear method will do means this will remove all elements. So whatever the elements that are present in the list, it will remove all the elements. So if you want to remove all the elements in the from the list means you need to use clear method. This clear method will remove all the elements from the list. Next one, index of x. So what does this index of x will do means return index of first occurrence. So suppose what it will do means it will return index of first occurrence. So whatever the occurrence that is occurring first, it will return that index. Suppose there is a list. In that list there are some certain elements like 1, 2, 2, 3, 3. Suppose if I mention index of 1 or index of 2. So suppose there are two elements are there. In the first position 2 is there, in the second position 2, second index 2 is there. What it will do means it will return first occurrence. So in the first occurrence means it is in the in the first place it is already 2 is there. So it will return that first place index. So Whatever the index that is occurring first, it will return it. Next one, count of x. What does this count method will do? Means it will count how many times how many times that number is appearing appeared in that list. Suppose if you want to know how many times that a letter is that a letter is repeated in that list means you need to use this count function. Whatever this count function will do means it will count how many times this number repeated in this list. Like that it will perform that operation. Sort function. So this sort function will do it will sort all the in an ascending order. Suppose your list containing all the numbers in random order. So if you want to make it in an ascending order, you will need to use this sort method. This sort method will sort this list in ascending order. So next one, reverse. So if you want to reverse the list means you need to use reverse method. So it will reverse this list. Next one, copy. What does this copy method will do? It will return a shallow copy of the list. So we will discuss shallow copy, difference between the shallow copy and deep copy while discussing copy method. Next, list constructor. So if you want to create a new list, you need to use list constructor. So whenever you use this list constructor, it will create a new list. That is, so I will explain each and every method that is present in the Python list methods. First one, append. So we'll discuss some example with append method. So first one, so append. Suppose there is a list x equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and got 54, 544.26. Like that, there are some certain elements are there. Suppose if I want to append um, Ramesh at the end of the list. So what you will do? X dot append of Ramesh. So you are inserting this string at the end. So you need to mention a double quotes here. Otherwise, if you want to add an element at the end, you no need to mention double quotes. Now I will print X. Here, what it will do. See, here Ramesh is appended at the end of the list. So this is the append method window. So next one. What is the next one? Insert. I will take same example and I will explain. Suppose there is a element 3 in the second position. So suppose I don't want to see 3 in the second index. Suppose I want to insert some 30 in place of 2. What I will do means x dot insert of, so first parameter in which place you need to insert 30. I am wishing to insert it in the place of 2 second index. So I will mention 2 because in the second index only I want to append that. So after that, what is the element that you want to insert? Mention that element. Suppose I want to insert 30. So I mention 30 here. Now print. So now you will see 30 in place of 3. See here. In place of 30, in place of 3, 30 is inserted. And 3 will not be deleted from the list. It will be there as is, but in place of that index, it will come 30 and it will insert over there. And 30 will be go to the next index. It means third index position it will go. So that is what it will do. So next one. What is the next method? Extend method. So suppose 2, 3, 4, 5, y equal to 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Suppose I want to make these two lists into a single list. Suppose if I want to, what is this method? Extend method, no? Okay. So if I want to extend this x into a single, suppose if I want to extend this two lists into a single list, I will use this extend method. So see how it will occur. X dot extend the y. So whenever you do x dot extend of y, this all the elements that are present in the y will come and add at the end of the x list. So you will see all the elements into the single list. See, see the output now. So see, all the elements are converted into the single list, and these y list elements are added to the end of the x into a single list. So this is what extend function will do. So next method, remove element. So we will see remove element. Suppose if I want to remove 3 from this list, so what I will do means x dot remove of 3. So what do this remove function do? It will remove an element from the list, not an index. It will remove an element from the list. So now print x 3 now 3 will be removed from the list. Say 1, 2, 4, 5. So if you want to remove 5 also, print x dot remove of 5. Now print x see 1, 2, 4. It means first of all it removed 3 third one, and after that it removed 5. So after removing those two things, we'll get 1, 2, 4. Like that, if you want to remove any element, you can use this remove method. Next method. What is the next method? Pop. So see how pop method will work. So if you want to remove any specific index, what you will do means you use pop method x dot pop up. Suppose I want to remove third index. What I will do means x dot pop up 3. Now see the output. See, what is the third element? 0, 1, 2, 3. 4 is the third index element. So we have removed this specific index. So after removing this, we got 1, 2, 3, 5. So suppose I mentioned x dot pop. Now I am printing. See how by default it will remove last element. See here, we are having 1, 2, 3, 5. After that, I am popping x dot pop. I did not mention any index. So by default, what it will do, it will remove the last index. So 5 is the last index. So it removed the 5 element. Um, fifth, it means it removed the fifth this element and it will return 1, 2, 3. It means by default it will remove last element. So in this list, the 5 is the last element, so it removed 5. So let us go to the next method. Clear. What do this clear will do means it will remove all, it will clear all the elements in the list. So how it will perform? Let us see here. So x dot clear. Now print this x. What it will do? It will give empty x. See, it has removed all the elements from the list, and whenever you mention x dot clear, whenever you print this, it will give an empty list. So like that, it will perform each and every operation. So next method we'll see list methods. Next index of x. So we'll discuss index of x. So what this? Let us see x equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2, 1, 4, 5. So now I will do x dot index of. So I want to know what is the index number of the some specific element. Suppose I am mentioning what is the index of 1. Now print. Now see, wait, something is. So it will return index of first occurrence. So I have given something. Wait, something is. So x dot index of. Suppose I am going to see. I am suppose I want to what is the index value of the two. So here I am using x dot index of two. So here we are having two elements. In the first index it is having two. In the second index position we are also having two. But it gives first occurrence of that value. What is the first occurrence of two? What is the first occurrence of the value that is present in the index? So the first occurrence of 2 is present in the index number 1. So that's why it is given 2. Suppose if I want to now print index of 5, sorry, wait, x dot index of 5. Now let us see the output. See, the index of 5 is 5. See, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. At the fifth position, we have found the first occurrence of 5. That's why it is given 5 as an output. So this is what the index method will do. So next one, count method. So what do this count method will do? It will count the specific number of elements. It is used to count number of elements that are present in the list. It means specified element. So what are the elements that you specified? It will count how many numbers are there in that list. Suppose I have taken this example only. Now print count of 2. It means x dot count of 2. Now see what it will give. So there are two elements. It is counted 1 and 2. So there are two elements in the list. That's why it is given 2. So this is what count will perform. Next one, sort method. What do this sort method will do? Means it will sort all the elements in the ascending order. See, suppose I am taking same example only. X dot sort. Now I am printing X. See, it is printing all the elements in the ascending order, and also it will allow duplicates. It means you can have as many duplicate elements in the list. So here we are seeing um, for one there are duplicate elements, for two there are duplicate elements. So List will allow duplicate elements in the list. So you can able to add as many duplicate elements in the list. So that is what it is indicating. Next one, reverse. So if you want to reverse the list, we'll use this reverse function. So see, suppose I am having the list 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Suppose if I want to reverse this, just need to do x dot reverse. After that, print that x. See, all the elements are printed in reverse order. So, like this, you can able to print this list in reverse order. And also, you can do this thing also by using this um, slicing also. How you can do means x of this we have seen in things form set. See now, minus one. Why it is one? Okay. See, we are having 60, 50, 40, 30, 20 as 10. So whenever you want to print this in the reverse order, we get 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Like this, like this way, we'll get this in reverse order. So this is what the reverse function will do. So next one, copy. So now we will the copy. What do this copy method will do? So there are two methods that are available in copy method. So we'll see each methods in copy. So we'll see that copy method in the next session. I will create that video separately so that each and every people will get understand. So next method list constructor. What do this list will do means it will create a new list. How we will use? See, suppose I am taking x equal to some tuples 10, 20, 30, 40. So x dot list. So now see print x. See how it will convert tuple. So tuple has no list. See print list of x. Now you shall see the output. See how the tuple is converted into the list. Well, so whenever you use list method, it will convert some data type into the list. It means it will convert the tuple into list. That's why we use this constructor. Why do we use list constructor? Means in order to convert into the list, we will use this list constructor. So these are the list methods that are available in Python. And also there are some other methods also available. So for data science, we don't require those. It is just enough to it is just enough to learn these things. So these are the things that we have to learn in Python for data science, guys. That's it for today. So hope everyone understood this class and everyone enjoyed this session. So whatever that I taught in this session, I think everyone was understood. So hope hope you enjoyed this session. So thank you all. We'll see in this next lesson. So bye.